How to export your contacts from MI account to Google account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can export your contact from your MI account to your Google account. For that, you must launch your contacts option on your device. So this is the contact list on my phone. After launching this, make sure that you have signed it to your MI account from here. If you have already signed it to your MI account from here, then now what you need to do is on the top right side, you will see there are 3 vertical dots. When you tap on this, just tap on the edit option right here and select the numbers that you want to export. After doing this, you will see the option of share button right here. After doing this, you will see you can share it to Google as well, and you can simply share it to your Google account, and just like that, your contacts will be saved and exported to your Google account. So that's how you do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.